Well, it's certainly been quite a long time since I last did a trip to video in this style. However, I thought that it would fit if I brought it back for this video, so hopefully you enjoy.
Oh, it's getting cold now, isn't it?
Back in mid-November, Northwestern Motor Services Andrew Camp and Helen Kenney invited me along for a trip to Blackpool Illuminations with a couple of friends and family members. We also decided to invite my nan along for the ride. And so both me and my nan made our way over to Northwest Vehicle Restoration Trust Kirby Base to join the bus. Soon enough, we were ready to set off to pick up the rest of our passengers in Wavertree. You may have noticed the birthday-themed decorations around the bus. This is because this trip was also done as a surprise for a friend's 65th birthday, who was part of the group we were picking up at Wavertree. After getting off the M57 and onto the M62, we were soon arriving at our decided meeting point near Wavertree Shopping Park. Now that we had picked up everyone, it was time to head for Blackpool. Not long after getting on the motorway, I decided to settle upstairs, and before long we had gotten on the M6 and decided to make a stop at Welcome Break.
Service station. Whoa!
enough, Blackpool was in sight. Enjoy the montage of Blackpool. And so, after a brilliant run through the lights, it was time to start heading home.
On our way back. So we're on Ken. Oh, what time is it? What time is it? What? 10 to 10. Wow. Well, that's good. It's alright, though. Have to be a quick pit stop at Charlotte. Well, the only other thing is, if he gets off the doors, I'll drop him off. Sure. Drama as well, isn't it? What? Drama as well. Get you always here quicker. Not my question. Just come. And you're going up to the next to it.
see what time it's after 2:07.
We then made a brief stop at Welcome Break once again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Once we were all ready, it was time to make the final sprint back over to Liverpool to end a great night. Once we were on the move again, it didn't take long at all before we were back on the outskirts of Wavertree. Overall, it was a lovely evening, and I have to say, I had a great time. I think everyone else on board did too. So, thank you to Andrew, thank you to Helen, and thank you to all at Northwestern Motor Services for a great night. And most importantly, happy birthday to Kenney himself. We arrived back in Wavertree at around 11:30, bang on time.
You recording again? Bye! Bye, friends!
Say bye to the end of the
Bye.
video.
Bye!
If you would like to see more videos in this style in 2024, please do let me know. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.